Hi there. I hope everyone is doing great. So I recently started learning n8n and I was doing just creating simple workflow where I extract data from email and then put it into Google Sheet. I thought maybe I share it with everyone so they can use this as a reference or just get the idea how it can be done and they can do it on their own. I am completely new to this. I don't know JavaScript much. I know other languages but not JavaScript. So I am using ChatGPT to generate code and everything. So I have this simple data I generated using ChatGPT. So let's say I have customer name, order number, order ID, email, phone, order date, and delivery date. So all email, whenever I receive email, it will be same, just this data will be different. Okay. So now I know like what I can logically thinking, I know the data between order ID and customer name will be my order ID. Then data between customer name and email will be my customer name. So I can prompt AI to generate me JavaScript for this, and I'm going to use data transformation, then code, and then this is the code that it generated. So basically, what I understand that it is using regex expression to get specific data from the text by matching the expression. Like for example, it is saying it start with uh, order ID, there is some text and everything, and then it ends with customer name. So it will order ID will be between order ID and customer name. Similarly, customer name will be customer name and email. Email will be between email and phone, and similarly all this. At the end, delivery date, there is nothing delivery date after delivery date. It is just matching the first part of it. You can you can learn regex if you want. It's up to you how you want to do it. So I just copy it, open this and paste it here. Okay. So I am gonna remove this and I am gonna provide my data to it. Okay. So this is just a function. Give me a moment. Okay. So this is just a function which I am using and it will give me JSON of the data that extracted from email body. So if I run this step, it will give me very clean output data, as you can see here, which I can easily use. Let me test it again. Okay, which I can easily use further in my workflow. So I got the data. Now what I need to do is basically data into the add data inside sheet. So I am gonna search for sheet, Google Sheet, and then it will be append row. Okay. Then I am gonna choose my sheet. Then I'm gonna choose sheet one. And if my column names are same as this one, it will automatically map. But if column names are different, I need to map it manually. So for now, I am gonna map it manually and show you one issue that I was facing and I fixed it. Okay. So I just gonna drag and drop it here. Okay. And if I go here, my sheet is empty at a moment. And if I run this step, okay, it runs successfully and my data is added to it. But there is a one small issue. Sheet is treating phone number as numbers and it is calculating it like plus one minus like something like that. But this is a number. You can do two things like you can remove these plus and minus completely by using uh, replace function. Like for example, if I go here, there is a replace function within the n8n, and I can just choose this to replace everything. But I found another way, like just before start of this, add single quotation marks, not double, just single quotation mark. Okay, one of them. And if I test it now, okay, so let me check. Okay, as I am using just test version. So that's why I'm getting this error. I think I need to wait some time before I can use it again. Okay, now it's working. And if I go here, now as you can see, it is showing email number correctly. It's showing this, but if I just copy this, this is within the formula. So if I copy this and paste it here, there is a no single quotation mark. That single quotation mark just is within the Google Sheets. So you can also change this by adding single quotation mark and it will work. In case you got any suggestion or tips as I am learning this first time, you can let me know and I try to implement them or use them while learning n8n. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.